one of the advantages of our fixed asset register is the depreciation, which means you don't have to do manual postings from your Excel spreadsheets anymore. And all that's happening in the background is it's looking at your open periods in your accounting system manager. So you'll see we've selected the next financial period, which is May. All I'm going to do is click display, and the little red cross just simply highlights to me that we haven't done any postings for this specific month. It won't allow you to do any future postings because we haven't opened up those periods yet. And it literally is as simple as clicking post depreciation, and it will then do the associated postings through to the nominal accounts that we've assigned against each of those categories in the background. Now, there's various options on how that postings happen, whether it's individual postings, each line, or whether it's a consolidated posting. And as you can see now, we've got the posted depreciation report. All of our reports are produced in the standard Sage report designer. So if you find that there's a report configuration that you need to be adjusted, just speak to your Sage business partner and they can make those amendments accordingly for you. So as we said, standard Sage report designer format, which means I can print, email, export that information or report to Excel if I wanted to.